Yeah. Ooh, hello everyone and welcome back to Darling TV.
The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick, I'm all in my bag.
So today, guess what we doing today? Guess what we doing today? Hey, hey, hey. So today, I'm back with another video. Do not mind me in my braids. I see you looking while you looking. What's tea? I finally got enough hair I could braid, bitch. Look at that. Look. Wait. So now let me stop playing. But today, y'all been seeing me, you know, wearing a bob or whatever. I'm done with that. I'm done. I think for a week probably I'll be wearing this wig instead. Y'all seen this wig before. If you haven't watched my Winston-Salem video vlog, then you know, go check it out. She looks just like crazy right now, but I'm gonna try to fix her up a little bit. I plucked her a little bit, but I'm gonna just show y'all the process of how I put my wig on. This is a closure wig, probably like kinky curly at this point. I think it's some type of kinky curly. I really want some deep wave hair, so, but I don't know. Bitches ain't got money for real. But shizzle my nizzle. I really want this to be like bomb. Like, I ain't never had put me on a closure that was just like bomb. Well, yeah, I don't know. I want it to be better than it usually is. So I picked up some Ghost Bond. Now this little thing was $20. Who do they think I am? Bill Gates? No. It's not giving. I'm not him. They need to stop. But no, I definitely did pick this up. And I'm going to use this just like, what is that? I'm going to use this literally just in this area because it's a closure. So yeah, I look crazy because you can't see. So I'm going to stretch this out as much as possible. I tried to watch a little video because I'm trying to get that, you know, that lace wear, that wig cap wear type of feel, you know. I know y'all know what I'm talking about, and I don't be getting that. So should I put the makeup on it before I put this on it? No, I'm gonna just put this on there. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do first? Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and brush these bad boys back. I'm brushing them back. It really only need to be brushed back like right here because it's a 4x4 closure. It ain't. It's literally gonna be like boom. So I brushed the bad boys back, but I feel like when you put it on, I wanna like pull it. Can't see. Okay. Alright. Think we doing something. This shit feels weird. Oh, my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And should I use a blow dry? I'm gonna get my blow dry. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is like my this is not like this is my first time ever using Ghost Bond. So, ooh, that shit is sticky. My friends on the phone, but I put them on I put them on mute and they talking. But I'm about to cut right here and just cut around right here. Oh yeah. Oh, woo. So excited. This glue works wonders right now. Like, it looks way better than I ever done it right now. Hey you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't record an outro, so I'm just showing you guys a picture of the hair, and I hope you guys subscribe and like for more content.